Ever crashed your app just by looking up a key that didn't exist? In Python, accessing a missing key in a regular dictionary raises a key error. Say you're grouping names by their first letter. You'd have to check if the key exists before appending, or wrap everything in a try except block. It's repetitive and it clutters your logic. Defaultdict from Python's collections module solves this elegantly. When you access a missing key instead of raising a key error, it automatically creates a default value and inserts it for you. No more manual checks, no more try except. The dictionary handles missing keys on its own. You control what the default is by passing a factory function when creating the default dict. Pass list and missing keys get an empty list. Pass int and you get 0. Pass set and you get an empty set. The factory is called with no arguments each time a new key is first accessed. A classic example is grouping a list of words by their first letter. With default dict of list, you just append directly. The list is created automatically if the key is new. This same pattern works for counting frequencies with int, or building graph adjacency lists. Default dict eliminates key error by auto-creating defaults through a factory function, making your code cleaner and more Pythonic. Try it in your next Python project. Want to get better at answering questions like this? With Interview Mentor, you practice real interview questions out loud. You get personalized feedback and a grade on every answer, and you can track your improvement over time.